Good morning, friends. You can see my lithium battery pack is ready. So, total 32 cells I have kept, and these are 16 in series, 16 series, and two parallel. So, two BMS has been connected. Output, input they have even connected in series, and also Victron smart shunt I am having. So I have connected two batteries to the Victron smart shunt to monitor charge and voltage and remaining capacity, all those things. So these are the pretty good cells I can say, but not very satisfied. Well, definitely, because some cells has been sold themselves. Those it is the upper batteries, these are one almost 1 year old, and others are 6 months old. So this is the negative and this is the positive. And I have bought a battery switch, disconnector switch, from a shop. And this you can see negative I have connected and positive I have connected as per the requirement. And this is a battery, this is a V bus connector. And this battery switch mainly used in big trucks and buses to disconnect the battery in emergency purpose, and it can handle pretty high surge. So I thought, why should not give it a try? Okay, and that is the battery temperature battery. So I am using the Victron battery temperature sense module to track the lower battery compartment temperature, so that I can easily regulate the temperatures. So now I am going to connect the battery B minus, or you can say yes, it's a battery B minus with the battery disconnector switch. And also I will connect the positive or B plus to the battery disconnected plus pole. So I am unscrewing the nuts. It's a big nut. Okay, I hope this will give me a very good longevity. So negative to negative. And I'm sorry, peoples, I am these are the pre-made cables which are lying with me, so I am using that. I don't have enough mainly we should use to gauge two AWG wires to connect with the main inverter from the battery, but I don't have honestly. So I'm using this pre-built cable. It's pretty big, I can say, but okay, no problem. So I'm connecting this for testing purpose to see is all is well or not. So I am tightening the terminals of the switch, and now the time to connect the positive. So I have already connected the positive. Now I'm tightening down the positive terminal, battery B plus, and with the switch B plus. It's big bolt and my range is very small. No problem, anyhow it's doable. As you can see, I'm holding the positive wire in my hand. So it's a it's a 5000 VA inverter, almost 4000 it's a 4000 watt capacity, and charge it can give me around 10,000. So not a big problem. So already selected, switch on the multiplus 2. It's now inverting, it's showing inverting on. Now let's check the output voltage from the inverter. is it okay or something different. So negative and positive, or you can say neutral, and line give me 230 volt. It is okay, definitely good, I can say. Yep. Yeah, maybe a little bit hold the camera to show you the voltage. So this is by measuring, neutral and line, we can see 230 231 volt. It is okay. Thank you guys, see you again next video.